Hello again, guys. It's Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Thank you for tuning in. To my new people, welcome. Hit that subscribe button now. To my old people, my subscribers, thank you. Welcome back. Listen, I'm going to keep today's video pretty short. This is for the people who are considering using my service, Jaguar Top Repair, to come out and fix your convertible top. So I've been doing this 12, 13 years. I've done 300 cars. I've sold hoses. I know a lot about the green shower repair. I probably do more of this repair in a month than most dealerships do in a full year. You can guarantee yourself that. So here's the reason for today's video. If you own a 1997 through 2016 Jaguar Convertible XKR, XK8, or XK, I am your repair service guy. I want you to pick up the phone and give me a call at 888-317-9340. Couple of things I got going for me. One, I've got a 5-year warranty on all of my repairs. Two, I come to you. All I need you to do is pick up the phone, tell me what year, make, and model car you have. I'll pack my tool bag. I'll be on a plane or filling in my van with my equipment, and I'll be on my way to you. The third thing that makes me so valuable in it, I give you references. What dealership, what service guy will ever give you 3 or 4 references of cars that you've worked on recently? Nobody does that. I do. Pick up the phone, give me a call at 888-317-9340. That's 888-317-9340. I'll be looking for calls from you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in. See you later. Bye.